Hey everyone, welcome to Long Arm Wednesday. I'm Laura Lynn of the Mama Pop Quilt Shop, and we're very happy to see you here today. Today, we're finishing, literally, on the long arm, this beautiful project that we started via our live streams, and we just finished it on Saturday. Hopefully everybody was with us there. So, I have it all on. It's about maybe a third done. I got a lot of work to do yet, so let's just plug away. Okay? And Walt's going to do a nice little stitch out in the center of this big, huge Dresden flower. And I chose a very soft gray thread instead of the purple. I liked it better. I didn't want anything to take away. So it's going to do a nice little stitch out. I've got other little stitch outs over here. I'll show you with the camera. This small camera. We had a lot of fun putting this together. It didn't take very long at all. We utilized our 10-degree wedge ruler, the very, very big one. It measures approximately 22.5 inches this way and then. And we do a really big flower. Now, if you wanted to know what the measurement of this flower is all the way across, I could do that. Big one, right? Right. Tip to tip. 49.5 inches. So, or 50 inches, depending on where you're going, 49, 50 inches. So that's pretty big. That's a nice center to a queen or even a king. And you can always add other ones to corners like I did, or have them all quartered, or whatever. The options is really endless. I enjoyed the fabric I was working with this, these beautiful batiks, and of course just the regular purple gray cotton. I chose poly batting and this lovely gray with a leafy texture to it, a nice foliage sort of look for the back. So remember, this is for my mom's night nurse, and hopefully she likes it, as my mom's request. And here's hopefully I didn't do it. Like that little kiwi kind of stamp flower too, or orange or whatever. Kind of looks like kiwi. I like it. Uh-oh, are we out? Oh, we're out of father's thread. Whoops. Oops. No. Alright, hold on. One moment. Okay, so restart. We're going to restart up here. That's where it ended. Right. Well loved. Alright, so that is that. And then I will show you what I'm doing in the blades. The big blades of this one. I'm leaving the small inner ring alone, so it'll nicely puff up on itself, okay? So you can kind of see a little bit here. It's a little swirled as in here, up here, and then up there. So it'll start probably right over here. So we're going to continue. And you'll see what at least one of those stitches up like. There we go. loosen every blade as I go around. So I did the top part already to stabilize it, and then of course the sides I bring up working on the center, and then just kind of work my way down and around. And then I'll show you what I did on this big, beautiful butterfly. You can just see still kind of poking out from the top part. Okay. So I did a big, big butterfly. And then inside of it, I did a couple of smaller circular ones to represent the leaves, or the wings of the butterfly. And then the same stitch out that I have going in the blade, I just kind of did it in the body to give it a little bit of movement. So that is what is going on with this project. And hopefully, like I said, they like it. It's beautiful. I had a lot of fun working on it. Let's see if we can get one more stitch out of this. But we do need to load a bobbin, so that's my fault. Not load another one. I meant to do that, but very fun. Like I said, very fun to put together. 3 weeks. So it didn't take that long. We did it together. Apparently, I encouraged quite a few other people in regards to maybe taking on this sort of a challenge of Dresden. They thought it was harder than it was. But seeing me put it together, they know they can do it now. So trust me, if I can do it, you can do it. Oh, no, missed that on another one. That's okay. I'll load another bobbin and continue on work there. So thank you very much for liking and subscribing and checking us out on Patreon. All the people on Patreon get entered in to win the quilts that we do on Patreon, and we greatly appreciate their help. So thank you, thank you. And congrats to us on our over 10,000 or 12,000 subscribers now. It's a long way, and we never thought we'd ever get there. So we're very excited. Take care, everybody. Enjoy your Wednesday, and we will see you on Weekend Project, where we're going to continue the March and April block of the applique month. Okay? Take care, everybody. Enjoy your day. Bye-bye.